Welcome to the Parsimony tutorial on the accounting module. In this video, we will focus on the purchase register. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to confidently manage and track your purchase invoices using the Parsimony system. Once you've logged into Parsimony, click on the accounting module to access various accounting functions in the accounts payable section. You'll find a wide range of options to manage your payables efficiently. To access the purchase register, click on the purchase register under Reports. Then click the Show Report button. The purchase register table provides a comprehensive view of all your purchase invoices. Each row represents a separate purchase invoice and displays details such as the voucher number, posting date, supplier's name, and the total payable amount. The outstanding amount column shows the remaining unpaid amount for each invoice. The remarks column indicates whether an invoice is paid, partially paid, or unpaid. You can use various filters to narrow down the results and find specific invoices. Filters include supplier, from date to date, mode of payment, and more. If you need to export the purchase register or print it for your records, you can use the export and print options. To view the details of a specific purchase invoice, click on the voucher number. In the Purchase Invoice Details section, you'll find all the relevant information about the selected invoice, including item details, taxes, and charges. The More Info section shows the payment status for this particular invoice. If you want to record a payment for this invoice, simply click on the Make Payment Entry button. Enter the payment details, such as the paid amount, payment mode, and reference. You can also attach any supporting documents if needed. Once done, click Save and then Submit to record the payment. Congratulations! You've learned how to manage and track your purchase invoices using the purchase register in Parsimony. Now you can confidently monitor outstanding payments, view aging details, and keep your accounts payable organized.